Good morning, students. Hope everyone knows it. Myself Harita, and we are learning the science, the first lesson of our science subject, food and digestion. In the previous classes, already we learned what are the food items we are having. In the food items, what are the nutrients, and in the nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, surface, vitamins and minerals and water. All we learned before only. And next digestion also we learn how the food goes in the first step is mouth, and after food pipe, and after stomach, and after small intestine, and next large intestine, and next these are the steps of the digestion system. And the next topic we are having preserving of the food. First, preparing of the food. Now tell me how many types of food we have. What the food you will eat? You will eat morning for the breakfast like idli, dosa, vada and puri. So these all you are eating. And afternoon you will eat the rice and the curry. In the curry means vegetables you will eat. Some vegetables, raw vegetables you will eat, right? Before you are eating the raw vegetables, definitely you should wash the vegetables, because it will go somewhere and full of dust will be there for the vegetables. So definitely when you are eating the raw vegetables, you should wash the vegetables. Okay, definitely don't forget, you should wash the vegetables properly, and then you have to eat the raw food material, raw vegetables. And next, some vegetables we are frying. I think so many your kids know, so you will like the food items like fries, right? So I think so many members will like the food items of fries, potato fry and fries, lady's finger. So like these fries you are liking. So when preparing the food, we have so many types of preparing food. Some vegetables we are eating raw, and in the breakfast, puri we are doing the fry. Puri we are doing the deep fry, and the idli it was cooked in the steam. Why we have to prepare these foods in the so many methods? Because it will make the food easy to go inside of our body. It will make very easy and smooth and tasty. Because some vegetables we can't eat the raw vegetables. So by adding the salt and chili powder, by using these all, we will prepare the food very tasty. By eating the food very tasty, you should cook the vegetables and all. Okay, so you should eat the vegetables by frying and by making curries and these all. Okay, so the preparing the food, we are having different many methods, but don't deep fry the any item, because if you deep fry more, then the minerals in the vegetables it will spoil. If it will spoil, there is no usage of eating the food of those materials. Okay, so don't deep fry more the food. Okay. And next, the topic we are having, what we learned, preparing the food. And next we are having preserving. Preserving food. So everyone will like the pickles, right? So it will stay a longer time. If we start the preparing of the pickle for this year, up to next year you have the same pickle. So by adding the salt for the pickle, it will stay up to the longer time. Okay, so for the pickles, those by adding the salt only it will preserve. And next, when we are going to the jam, they will add the sugar to preserve the food. The jam should preserve means we should add the sugar. Okay, we should add the sugar, then it will preserve for the longer time. Okay, so what is the preserving items means? Salt, sugar. So these two will act preserving food. And next we are having, by drying the food also we cannot spoil the food. Podina and what we are having, like these items, leaves, that means leaves. By these all we can dry the food items. Okay, by drying also we can preserve the food. And the next we are having pasteurization. What is the meaning of pasteurization? Means daily you will drink the milk, right? So everyone will drink the milk. Before they are packing the milk, first they will heat the milk, and after immediately they will cool down the milk. Because if any micro organs or something will be there, so something germs or it will be there, if we change the temperature of the milk, then it will spoil, so that it will stay a longer time. For that reason they will pasteurize the milk, and after they will pack into the packets. Okay, so the three we are having, by drying the food, and the next thing, refrigerator. And the fridge, in every home we are having the fridge. Why should we put into the fridge? Means it will not spoil for the longer time. It will not spoil for the longer time. For that reason we have to put in the fridge for the food items. Okay, so the three items we are having, by drying and by pasteurization and by refrigerating. Okay, by doing these three items we can preserve the food, but don't preserve so many days in the refrigerator. Okay, so these we are having, Nana. So up to here the chapter is over. In the next video I will give the worksheets for you. Okay, so today homework is, so everyone will know the, in the digestion system you are having this diagram, right? So this one you should write in your notebook for twice. That means 2 times you have to write this diagram in your notebooks. Definitely I will check after when the school reopens. I will check if you wrote this or not. Okay, definitely you should write the digestion of the food steps. Okay, okay children, bye, take care.